Looking for the ultimate comfort food that's bursting with bold flavor and ready in under 30 minutes? Say hello to this quick and easy one-pot taco soup. It's loaded with hearty ingredients, rich spices, and topped with all your favorite fixings. Start by heating a large pot over medium-high heat. Add 1 pound of lean ground beef and 1 small chopped onion. Stir and cook until the beef is completely browned and the onions are soft and fragrant, about 6 to 8 minutes. Once the beef is fully cooked, drain any excess grease from the pot. This keeps the soup rich but not overly oily. Now it's time to build that flavor. Add the following straight into the same pot. 1 can of kidney beans, 1 can of black beans, 1 can of sweet corn kernels, 1 can of diced tomatoes, 1 small can of tomato sauce, 2 tablespoons of taco seasoning. Homemade or store-bought, your call. Give everything a good stir so the ingredients are fully combined and coated in that savory seasoning. Let the soup simmer on medium heat for about 10 to 15 minutes, stirring occasionally. This gives the flavors time to mingle and deepen. Your kitchen is going to smell amazing. Now, for the best part, the toppings. This is where the taco magic really comes alive. Ladle your hot, steamy taco soup into bowls and load it up with a generous sprinkle of shredded cheddar cheese. It'll melt beautifully. A dollop of cool, creamy sour cream, fresh and zesty pico de gallo, slices of buttery avocado, crunchy tortilla chips for that perfect bite, a wedge of lime for a bright citrus kick, and a handful of freshly chopped cilantro for a final burst of freshness. Every spoonful is like a warm hug with a spicy twist. Hearty beef, creamy beans, sweet corn, rich tomato, and those killer toppings? Absolute flavor bomb. This taco soup is the kind of meal you'll want to make again and again. Perfect for busy weeknights, lazy weekends, or when you're just craving something satisfying and soul-warming. Save this recipe, share it with your foodie friends, and don't forget to try it out yourself. Your taste buds will be so glad you did.